The universe beckons. For centuries we gazed at the stars, dreaming of reaching out and touching them. Today that dream is becoming a reality. Space colonization, once the realm of science fiction, is rapidly becoming a tangible goal. International space agencies and private companies are developing plans for lunar and Martian bases. We are witnessing a global resurgence of interest in space exploration. This is not just about planting flags and claiming territory, it's about securing the future of our species. By becoming a multi-planetary species, we safeguard ourselves against existential threats on Earth. Let's embark on this incredible adventure together. Our closest celestial neighbor, the Moon, has always held a special place in our imaginations. But the Moon is more than just a pretty face. It's a treasure trove of scientific opportunity and a stepping stone to further exploration. The Moon's proximity to Earth makes it an ideal testing ground for space technologies. Establishing a lunar base can serve as a hub for further exploration. The Moon is rich in resources that could be vital for sustaining a human presence in space. Water ice at the lunar poles could be used for drinking water, oxygen production, and even rocket fuel. Establishing a permanent base on the Moon would allow us to unlock these resources. The Moon is our cosmic neighbor, and it's time we paid it a visit, to stay. Beyond the Moon lies Mars, the red planet, a world that has captivated our imaginations for centuries. Its rusty hues suggest the tantalizing possibility that life may have once existed there. Mars represents the next giant leap for humanity, the opportunity to establish a self-sustaining civilization on another planet. Mars is the most Earth-like planet in our solar system. While its atmosphere is thin, it's enough to provide some protection from solar radiation. The journey to Mars will be long and challenging, but the rewards are immeasurable. By establishing a permanent presence on Mars, we would be taking a significant step towards becoming a multi-planetary species. Imagine future generations gazing up at a night sky where two celestial bodies, the Moon and Mars, twinkle with the lights of human civilization. That's the future we're striving for. Building a home on the Moon presents unique challenges and opportunities. The lunar environment is harsh and unforgiving, with extreme temperatures and no atmosphere. Engineers and architects are developing innovative designs for lunar habitats. One promising approach is to build structures underground or within lunar lava tubes. 3D printing technology could be used to construct habitats using lunar regolith. Inside these lunar habitats, life would be different from what we're used to on Earth. Artificial gravity would likely be necessary to counteract the long-term health effects of living in low gravity. Closed-loop life support systems would recycle air, water, and waste. Life on the Moon would be an adventure, a testament to human ingenuity and adaptability. Building a home on Mars presents a different set of challenges compared to the Moon. Martian habitats would need to be designed to withstand dust storms and provide protection from solar radiation. Utilizing Martian resources, such as regolith and water ice, would be crucial for construction and life support systems. 3D printing and other advanced manufacturing techniques would be essential for creating self-sufficient habitats. The lower gravity would require adjustments for human physiology. Despite these challenges, the dream of living on Mars is incredibly compelling. Imagine walking on another planet, exploring its canyons and volcanoes. The establishment of a Martian colony would mark a pivotal moment in human history. Space colonization is not for the faint of heart. It presents a myriad of challenges that will require groundbreaking solutions. Radiation exposure, micrometeoroid impacts, and the physiological effects of prolonged weightlessness pose constant threats. Developing robust spacecraft shielding and advanced life support systems are crucial. Equally important is the psychological well-being of those venturing into the cosmos. Creating a sense of community and ensuring access to psychological support will be essential. By addressing these obstacles head-on, we can pave the way for a future where space travel is safer and more accessible. Establishing a permanent presence on the Moon or Mars requires a reliable and sustainable source of energy. Traditional power sources like fossil fuels are impractical for space exploration. Solar power will play a crucial role in space colonization. Solar panels can be deployed on the lunar surface or integrated into Martian habitats. However, solar power is intermittent, particularly during lunar nights or Martian dust storms. To address this, energy storage systems will be essential for providing continuous power. Nuclear power is another viable option, especially for larger bases. Developing a robust and sustainable energy infrastructure is crucial for the success of any space colonization effort. One of the most critical aspects of establishing a self-sustaining human presence in space is the ability to produce food. Transporting food from Earth is costly and unsustainable in the long term. That's where space farming comes in, a revolutionary approach to agriculture. Hydroponics and aeroponics, methods of growing plants without soil, will be essential for space farming. LED lighting systems can mimic sunlight to provide the necessary energy for photosynthesis. The selection of crops for space farming is crucial. Scientists are researching plants that are not only nutritious but also adaptable to the unique conditions of space. Space farms will also play a vital role in recycling air and water. Space farming is not just about feeding future generations, it's about creating a closed-loop ecosystem that will allow humanity to thrive beyond Earth. As we venture into the cosmos, we must consider the social implications of living in such unique environments. Creating a sense of community and purpose will be crucial for the psychological well-being of space colonists. Shared living spaces and recreational activities will be essential for fostering a sense of belonging. Governance and decision-making processes will also need to be adapted for space settlements. Should space colonies be governed by existing nations, or should they strive for self-determination? The decisions we make today will shape the future of our species and determine the kind of societies we create among the stars. Imagine a future where humanity is no longer confined to a single planet. A future where we have expanded our reach to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. Becoming a multi-planetary species offers numerous benefits. It reduces our risk of extinction from Earth-bound threats. It opens up vast new resources and opportunities for scientific discovery. But perhaps the most profound impact of space colonization will be on our perspective as a species. As we venture beyond Earth, we will gain a deeper appreciation for the fragility of our own planet. The journey to become a multi-planetary species will be long and arduous, but the rewards are immeasurable. We stand at the edge of a new frontier, poised to embark on one of the greatest adventures in human history. By establishing a permanent human presence on the Moon, Mars, and beyond, we will secure the future of our species. The journey will require global cooperation and unwavering human spirit. It will require us to confront our limitations and embrace our creativity. This is our destiny, to reach for the stars and build a future where humanity's reach extends far beyond our home planet. Let us embrace this challenge with courage, curiosity, and a sense of wonder.